Right. So, in the last sessions, we have discussed about MuleSoft integration, followed by how MuleSoft works, right? So, all that part we have discussed in the last session. In today's session, I'm going to explain you about MuleSoft solution, how it functions and how it works. Being into uh, being into understanding the solutions for the MuleSoft platform, let me give you a high-level overview because MuleSoft is majorly useful for the different products which majorly allow us to connect with all the systems whatever required so that result in gaining maximum productivity using unified enterprise service bus configurations. At the same time, whatever the bidirectional data sync that we do or the kind of data transformation that we are launching in most of the optimal and as well as organization manner. In this process, when we are trying to understand about the MuleSoft, in the case of, uh, let us take an example of an old ERP system or a legacy data sources and all. It can be connecting or synchronized with any kind of existing setup or any kind of customer services marketing solutions. At the same time, and also whatever B2B or B2C or D2C storefronts, we can link the documents, catalogs, and as well as training materials with the system. So whatever the required service agents always will have an access to the needed information to track the mobile transactions. At the same time, the kind of events which are using for a unified ESB platform for managing real-time operations. At the same time, distributing needed data between the corresponding areas and as well as IT landscape, all that. So, from the solutions point of view, as far as the MuleSoft implementation itself is concerned, to make sure we must flexible enough to standardize API landscape by implementing MuleSoft Anypoint with help of MuleSoft ESP Enterprise Service Bus as well as implementing Microsoft services, microservices, wherein to process the ETL processing when we want to implement any kind of ETL processing and all. So for any kind of document storage or any kind of legacy database CRMs. At the same time, when there are any transactional exchanges which are in high loaded transactional exchanges we are doing, either it is through B2C mobile applications or IoT assets and all, everything can be done in this regard. This is all about the MuleSoft solution. From the technical point of view, we must require to learn.